Hello guys! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, ako pala si Kuya JP at isa akong Kristiyano at isang OFW na nakabase dito sa Saudi Arabia sa Jeddah. Today, we're talking about something everyone is searching for. Love. Pag sinabing love, lahat tayo gusto yan. Pero sa totoo lang, sobrang daming definition ng love sa mundo ngayon. Yung iba, love daw pag may kilig. Yung iba, love daw kapag hindi ka iniwan. Yung iba naman, love daw basta masaya ka. Pero ano ba talaga ang tunay na pag-ibig? Let's look at the Bible kasi si God mismo ang source ng tunay na love. Ngayon, isi-share ko ang 5 biblical principles about love na makatutulong sa ating relationships, romantic man, friendship, family, kahit sa faith natin. Ready na kayo? Let's go! Isang biblical principle about love, first thing, love comes from God. Hindi lang siya emotion, hindi lang siya isang bagay na natututunan natin sa mga movies. Sabi sa 1 John 4:7 and 8, Dear friends, let us love one another, for love comes from God. Everyone who loves has been born of God and knows God. Whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love. Boom! Napaka-direct ng verse na ito. Love isn't just something God does, it's who He is. So, kung gusto nating matutunan ang tunay na love, we need to start with knowing God. Hindi natin kayang magmahal ng tama kung hindi natin naiintindihan kung paano tayo unang minahal ni Lord. Kaya bago natin hanapin yung ating the one or mahalin yung mga taong nasa paligid natin, hanapin muna natin si God. Next, love is a choice, not just a feeling. Marami sa atin, iniisip na ang love ay yung kilig, yung butterflies, yung excitement. Pero totoo ba yun? Sabi sa 1 Corinthians 13:4-7, ito yung sikat na love chapter sa Bible. Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it always protects, it always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Grabe, di ba? Wala dyan yung love is kilig or love is when you feel happy all the time. Kasi ang tunay na love, pinipili kahit mahirap. Kung nagmamahal ka lang, kapag masaya ka, hindi yan love. Convenience ang tawag dyan. Love is staying, love is forgiving, love is choosing the person even when it's hard. Kung naiwan ka na ng ex mo kasi hindi na daw siya masaya, baka hindi love yun, kundi feelings lang. Ang tunay na pag-ibig, hindi lang panandalian, merong commitment. Isa pang biblical principle about love, love is selfless. Alam mo ba na ang greatest love na pinakita sa atin ay hindi romantic, kundi sacrificial? Sabi sa John 15:13, Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friend. At sino ang gumawa niyan? Si Jesus. Siya ang perfect example ng tunay na pag-ibig. He sacrificed Himself para sa atin kahit hindi tayo karapat-dapat. Kaya kung ang love mo puro about sa sarili mo, kung paano ka magiging masaya, kung paano mo makukuha yung gusto mo, baka hindi pa yan love. Ang tunay na love, inuuna ang iba. Hindi selfish, hindi demanding, hindi puro ako, ako, ako. So, ask yourself, am I loving others the way Jesus loved me? Isa pang mahalagang biblical principle about love, love forgives. Madaling magmahal kapag okay ang lahat, pero paano kung nasaktan ka na? Sabi sa Colossians 3:13, Bear with each other and forgive one another. If any one of you has a grievance against someone, forgive as the Lord forgave you. Alam ko, napakahirap magpatawad, lalo na kung sobrang sakit yung ginawa sa'yo. Pero tandaan natin, tayo rin, pinatawad tayo ni God. At kung pinatawad niya tayo kahit ganun tayo, sino tayo para hindi magpatawad sa iba? Forgiveness doesn't mean you tolerate wrong things, pero it means you let go of the anger and trust God to heal you. Isa pang mahalagang biblical principle about love, love is the greatest. Sabi sa 1 Corinthians 13:13, And now these three remains, faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. Kaya sa lahat ng bagay sa mundo, achievements, success, money. Kung wala kang love, parang wala ring saysay ang lahat. Kasi, at the end of the day, God created us to love. Love for Him, love for others. That's our purpose and that's our calling. So, ang tanong ngayon, are you loving the way God wants you to love? If hindi pa, okay lang yan. We are all learning. Pero, simulan natin sa knowing God. Because the more we understand His love, the more we can love the right way. Tama? Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa more faith-based content natin. And comment below, what's the best lesson about love you learned from God? Thanks for watching, stay blessed, and love like Jesus. Ingat!